If you're using a chat-based agent, there's like lots of those products out there that are very easy to get up and running with, right? Because they look like a chat tool. You ask it questions. It feels like search. And then you can connect in various sources, like Asana is also available via MCP or Slack or Google Drive or whatever. And you get like reasonably good results out of it. The challenge with that is that those calls are stateless. And again, they are not leveraging a shared company brain that is this graph-based database or a context graph. These actions are happening in a way where no memory is getting created because inside those systems.
Inside the tool.
And then it's also being done in a way which is very one-off. As in, as an individual, you create a project, you run through it, but there's no way for you to actually codify that into a workflow that becomes a state that a future run by somebody else on your team can leverage. I shouldn't be able to leverage that shared memory when I run the AI teammate if you created that memory using that same teammate on a project that is, let's say, a secret M&A project that I don't have access to. CoreWeave is using both our deterministic AI studio workflow rules as well as multiple AI teammates to do new product launches. And historically, what would happen is, let's say they wanted to, like somebody, a PM wanted to launch a new product, they would fill out a very complicated form which would sort of specify what is the infrastructure required, what are all of the parameters of the new product being launched. That would get reviewed by a human being and get broken out into multiple tasks. So the agentic way of doing it is they now have a very simple document template because the average PM doesn't want to go through another tool that they have to learn. So they can write up a Google Doc in words on like what the thing is and point to PRDs. That goes into an AI studio workflow that understands what the new product is and automatically creates the project and breaks it up. Inside the project, there are two different kinds of AI agents. One is an AI agent that watches the status of each task and flags if things are falling behind. And another one is inside specific tasks, it can go ahead and automatically create like, oh, look, the cost for this particular infrastructure is going to be most likely X million. This is in line with something you've previously approved, so I recommend you approve it. It pushes things forward to a place where the human beings are doing evals of those outputs, and then all of the busy work of like keeping everything together, like is it on track? What is the current status? Can I ship this on time or not? Gets automatically triaged and summarized by the AI agents. The AI companies don't have area expertise in building state and human experience. We have like 18 years of experience building what is the delightful experience for a human being to engage with managing a complex project with multiple people. We have a stateful system that we've invested a ton of time in to make it highly scalable, multi-tenant. We've got the world's largest companies all the way down to PLG customers on it.